Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Junk files are temporary files created so your computer or phone can perform specific tasks and that are now no longer needed. At one time, these files were helpful, because programs, apps, and operating systems need to create temporary files to execute computing tasks. But after serving their purpose, these files become useless junk. Junk files are completely safe to delete. After serving the purpose they were originally created for, these files are useless and just take up space on your hard drive. If you want to remove junk files, start with the usual suspects. Here are the most common types of junk files you'll find on your computer. Before we begin, let us unhide operating system files and enable viewing hidden files since these junk files may be hidden or protected. We should also enable viewing of extensions so it's easier to identify the file types. Temporary files. These files are left behind by programs even when you close them. For example, when you open a document in MS Word, you might have seen a related file with the same extension. Such files are normally deleted by apps when you close them. The remaining ones can be cleaned up manually to free up space. Downloaded program files. Downloaded program files are the files that an app installer leaves behind after installing the related app. These are useless as they do nothing except to occupy space on the hard disk drive. You may remove them without any hesitation. Simply open your Downloads folder and delete these files. Recycle bin. When you delete a file, it goes to the folder named Recycle bin and still occupies space on the hard disk drive. Open Recycle bin from desktop to see what all files are there. If you need any file, right-click on the file and select Restore. Having checked the files, if you are sure that you longer need those files, tick the Recycle bin to clean its content so that free space is gained. The thumbnail cache database is stored in App Data folder. Thumbnails are previews of image files. There is no harm in deleting them. They will always be rebuilt when you access the image files again. Simply delete all files here with db extension. Windows folder. Old Windows are files that Windows 10 keeps for a while so that you can roll back to a previous version of Windows. It occupies a significant amount of your C drive, over 8 GB or so, depending on the addition of your previous Windows installation. Delete it and you will gain more than 8 GB of space on Windows 10 C drive. The page file is only used as a quick access dynamic memory for current OS needs. It does not need to be more than, for example, 2048 MB. Pagefile.sys is located in C drive. If your pagefile.sys size is very large, like 10 GB or more, you can decrease it. Type Control Panel in the Cortana search box, then select Control Panel, Desktop Application in the search results. With Control Panel view open, select System and Quad. Select Advanced System Properties and Quad. Click on the Advanced tab. In the Performance field, select/click on Settings and Quad. In the Performance Settings window, click on the Advanced tab. In the Virtual Memory field, click on Change ... and Quad. Next, uncheck the Automatically Manage Page File Size for all drives, then click on the Custom Size button. Next, enter the desired page file size in the Custom Size fields. Either enter a minimum and a maximum page file size in the fields, or enter the same file size in both fields. With the same page file size in both the minimum and maximum size fields, the paging file will be a fixed constant size, helping to minimize SSD wear and file fragmentation. Thank you for watching. If it helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.